Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Jereel on your screen today with a new video. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please subscribe, like this video, and turn on the post notification bell so you do not miss out on any future videos. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. As the title implies, I'll be teaching you how to make this banana flour. This flour, you can use it in your weight gain remedies. You can use it to make food that helps you gain weight. You can also use it in your baby food as well. So as you saw me, I washed the banana peel, the back of the banana, because it's always dirty and full of banana saps, which are gluey in nature, so I don't want that. So I'm going to be slicing the banana into little circles as you've seen. Okay, I'm going to slice it because I'm going to be drying up this banana and I need it to be as slim as possible so that it will dry in 24 hours. And mind you, I made this banana flour when we were in the Harmattan season, so the weather is usually very dry and extremely hot. So yeah, 24 hours was able to give me dried banana flour. Okay, so I'm just going in with more bananas because I want to make a large quantity that will be stocking up. All right, now if you have a food dehydrator, you can use this to dry up your banana. But adventure if where you're living is not very hot and dry as Nigeria. So yeah, but if you are living in a very hot climatic region, you can use the sun drying method. So this is the banana sliced. I have about 5 or 6 or 7 or even 8 bananas that I've sliced into these little circles. If you're still watching till this moment, please give this video a thumbs up, and you're not yet subscribed, subscribe to my channel ASAP. So I'm placing the bananas on a tray. This is a metal tray. I chose a metal tray because once the tray gets hot as well, the heat can penetrate, dry up the banana also. So that's why I'm choosing this tray, and I'm placing the bananas rightly on the tray. As you can see, I have 2 trays. I'm not trying to overcrowd any tray. So this is the drying process. I placed it on a rooftop, and here we have it after 24 hours. Very dry. So after 24 hours, this is what I got. Very dry, very dehydrated, and it's even breaking up because of how dry it is. Okay, no water is in these bananas anymore. It is very dry. So now this is not the final step. We are going to proceed to filtering this, or passing it through a filter or a shift to remove dust or any particles that it would have picked up while drying up as well. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do because this is for edible purpose, so I want it to be clean as possible.
Remember when you said it doesn't get better than this?
After collecting all the dust and impurity, I'm going to be stocking up the bananas into this food processor. I'm going to work in bit because I have an issue. I wasn't very sure that my processor was going to smoothen this into fine powders, but alas, it did the job. You'll see the final product in some few seconds. All right, so this is the last batch of the grinding, and here we have our banana flour. If you're still watching, hurry up and subscribe because on this channel I teach you guys a lot. Okay, I teach you a lot of things, so subscribe to my channel. Sharing this recipe is not an accident, I just wanted you guys to know how to make your own banana flour at home, because this banana flour serves a lot of purpose. You can use it in your weight gain formula. You can use it for your weight gain formulas for babies, for adults. You can use it in your banana smoothie with other mixtures. I shared a tutorial on this channel showing you how to gain weight with banana and other mixtures, so I'll link that in the video, in the card or in the end card, so that you can check it out and know how to use banana for various purposes. You can use this banana flour to make snacks, weight gain snacks. Okay, so these are various purposes of using banana flour, and we know as well banana can serve as a good facial mask, so you can activate this with just water and other necessary ingredients and apply on your face as a mask. So it's very versatile to have banana flour in your house. So I'm just packing that away because I'm storing this for personal use purpose. Okay, this is not the one I sell for commercial purpose, but I'm just showing you guys a video. So my commercial purpose banana flour has been stored, but there's a little one I'm just showing you guys how to make. So this is for personal use, and you have to put it in an airtight container so that air doesn't get into it, so it will always be fresh whenever you want to use it. And voila, here you have your banana flour. If you're still watching till now, please do well to subscribe to my channels, turn on the bell notification, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know in the comment section if you're going to try this out. I love you. Bye bye.